Good morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
So I'm just waiting for others to join. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Please turn on your camera. Yes. Please introduce yourself. Yes. Good morning.
I'm Gopi and I'm from Telangana.
Okay. So this is you've already given your first attempt.
Yes, ma'am.
Percentile.
Percentile I got 76.
Okay. You're from CBSE board.
No, state.
State. Okay. Okay. All right. So what do you think was the most difficult and challenging part in this time's JEE mains, according to you?
I think consistency was I was bad at, and I used to get very distracted
By what?
by social media or whatever. The basically,
Okay, okay, okay. How many hours of study did you do? Like,
I would say after coaching, I used to do like 4 hours, around 3 to 4.
okay. And what is the subject that you found most challenging in your preparation?
I would say maths and chemistry. Chemistry because my basics was very bad. So Maths, I didn't used to give much time, so it was basically, yeah.
What all are the things that you want to improve this time?
I want to be consistent
Okay,
because
that's
I
good.
I want to put more efforts compared to last time.
Okay. Is there any like what you call any particular topic in chemistry that you are really not getting, you're really not understood? Any topic? Can you
It
please turn on your cameras, Suchita and Gauri? Yes, please tell me.
it's mostly physics. Physical. I mean, physical
Physical.
chemistry, right?
Okay. Any other particular? Good morning, guys. Why late? Suchita, I have seen you before.
Good morning, ma'am.
I have seen you
Good
before,
morning,
right?
ma'am.
We have met before. And that means I'm not old. I still have got some memory left. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. 1 second, 1 second. Just yes. So, Gopi, I think I got a basic outline of where you are lacking, and I think I'll be able to help you in that. I'm telling you the books, right? So, Gauri, please introduce yourself, right? So, I want to know.
Hi everyone, my name is Gauri Chauhan. I'm currently situated in Bombay, and yeah, that's pretty much. Is there something in particular you would like to know, or
I want to know your percentile.
I got 50%?
So, what was the reason to drop? What do you think was lacking? Not according to
Improper
the
prep.
percentile. Please don't count that. I'm just saying about yourself, like your own, personality work, like how
Mm,
you felt that you were lacking in something.
okay, so that would be consistency and improper preparation, I think. Like I spent a
You're
lot of
from
time.
CBSE board? You're from CBSE board?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Huh. Please go on.
So the thing was key. I did join a class, but there was some issues there, and it turned into sort of a lot of self-study. And I used a lot of sources, but there was not enough review. So I think consistency and revision were the things,
Okay.
especially for
Any
organic
particular?
chemistry.
Okay. So I think for Gopi it was physical, for you it is organic. Okay. So any particular, like really one specific in organic chemistry which you felt like, this area is the most challenging. You felt what was that?
I think a lot of my basics around the time of reaction mechanisms were a bit skewed. So for that mostly. Otherwise, so it was fine until GOC. It was fine. Yeah.
Okay. So functional groups. And how much did you get in your class 12th boards? Chemistry? Just
I
chemistry.
got just chemistry. It was actually don't really remember. I have to check and get back.
Okay. It was in the 90s or 80s?
No, it was in the 80s, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll take care of that. And Suchita, I know something about you. I just know that you are a Sindhi.
Yes.
I remember your face, your cute, pretty face, but I don't remember much. Yeah, please tell me.
I'm from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh.
Now I remember. Okay. Your percentile, beta?
84% in second attempt.
Okay. 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 So, anything which is particularly very challenging for you in chemistry, beta?
Organic chemistry, especially the mechanism.
Speak into the microphone, beta. It's I'm not able to hear you much, beta.
Organic chemistry, especially the mechanism.
So same, someone on the similar lines as Gauri, right? Okay, okay. And how much did you score in your class 12 boards?
I scored 96% with 95 in chemistry, and I'm from ISC board.
Good score is very good, yeah. Very good. Very proud of you. Very, very good. So I can see if we basically talk to as many people, we will get as many topics. But I think most of the time either it is physical or either it is organic. I see most of the time. Inorganic, obviously, I'll tell you the tips and tricks, right? So we'll plan the things in a very what do you call very methodical manner so that you are able to get through your goals. Also, from here, you must understand that there are only 6 months left. Okay. Any exams which are left for you guys, like you want to give, or I mean, all are over? Because I know bit second attempt is left.
Yes, ma'am, my bit second attempt is left.
Achha, for you, it is left. Okay, then that's okay. Because it's a continuous level of preparation, so it should not be, a problem for you, right? So, agar continuous hai, to not a problem. So that's great. Okay, so you can keep on preparing for that. Also, you need any worksheet or anything, you please let me know. I will give you. Okay. So let's go to what I feel that should be the essence of preparation. And today I will give you, today I will tell you what I expect from you guys and how I'm going to take the course, what the expectation is of me from you, and what you can expect from me also during the entire course of the syllabus. Yes. So you must have read about me in the message, right? They have posted. I'm Dr. Swandeep. I'll be taking up your chemistry portions. And since it is a crash course sort of a thing, so I will make sure that you are focusing more on problem solving rather than theory, right? So after a few sessions, what I will do is I will make sure that in every single session, after I end the session or in before the session, I will give you a worksheet and you are continuously doing that. So in the same batch last year, 2 students, 99.9. Okay, 2 students, 99.9 first attempt, which is tremendous, which is a tremendous amount of success. But I must tell you that those are the students who did not. I gave them such hard worksheets. In the mock also, they were scoring pretty less. They cried and they howled and they got angry also. What we are doing, we have given 6 months to it. And last time, I think the crash course started in July, I think so. But this time we decided to start it a bit earlier. So I think when the first full syllabus mock happened, they got very less marks. And that was in December last week. And they cried so much. They called me up and nearly it took me 35 minutes to console the students. Okay, no problem. Because IITN guide, we gave a very difficult test, full syllabus mock we gave. It was very difficult. And some children, I think those 2 kids, yeah, I specifically remember one's favorite student of mine, Srishti is her name. She got very less and she was crying and took me very long time to console her. I said, no problem. One test does not define you. It is fine. It is okay. Please don't. Then when she called me after attempt 1, my God, she was ecstatic. She was so happy, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I told her, in entire January, you are supposed to give 1 test in the morning, 1 test in the afternoon, 1 test and she actually pulled it off. In one day, she used to do P2 set of PYQs, like one in the morning, 1 in the evening, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. I think only 2 breaks. She took 2 days in between. Otherwise, 25 days before her actual JEE mains, She did all that. She was done with her syllabus, obviously. Right? Very few things were left. So continuously I think that girl must have given, those two girls must have given nearly about 1,000 tests. I'm not lying. Because every day I used to give them worksheet plus test, worksheet plus test, 4, 4, 5, 5 worksheets on one topic, 4, 4, 5, 5 worksheets. That was like really, it was something. They did a lot. And every day their worksheets were complete and they used to ask me, ma'am, we have this doubt, we have this doubt. So what you can expect from me is a lot of worksheets, is a lot of support, is a lot of friendliness for solving the doubts, right? I'm here to solve everything. But what I definitely expect from you is to do the things on time. If I say tomorrow worksheet has to be done, so tomorrow means tomorrow, not tomorrow afternoon, not tomorrow evening, tomorrow morning we have the class. So tomorrow morning itself we have to do the things. So that is something which remains very important. I think consistency is something, and all of you, I think one thing is common in all the things, consistency was not there. So once everything is consistent, things will fall into place. Whatever health we have developed up till now, up till your age, not till my age, you have developed only because of your parents, because they are consistently telling you to eat well. They're consistently telling you to, do a certain things. That is why you are having such a good brain. You have such good health because it was consistency on the behalf of parents, right? If they said, okay, let them just eat junk food for 1 week, have they done that? No, right? Nobody feeds their kids with junk food like, 4 days in a week, 5 days in a week. No, it's not possible. That's not what parents do, right? So that is something which I feel that consistency is the most important. And I think Gopi said the first thing was consistency only. He only said, ma'am, it's consistency. Rest, everything will follow. All the things will follow, yeah. So that is what I expect all of you to do. And 99.9 is a very good achievement. Yes, on the behalf of that girl. So I was continuously a part of their journey. Whenever they were feeling down, they would call me, ma'am, not able to do, ma'am, not able to do. It's okay, no problem. Today you're not able to do, tomorrow you will be able to do. That's not a problem. Not every day you'll be able to solve problems. Now, someday some challenges will come, your mood will not be right. Someday some other thing will happen. So it's okay. Take everything in your stride. Everything is mine. Success is mine. So failure is also mine. It's okay. We are made up of positive and negative things, right? I can't say that I am full of positivity, I am full of this thing, full of good values. I may be having, I do have some bad values also. It's okay. I have bad things I also have in me, right? Sometimes I'm my health is not good, still I want to eat junk food. Sometimes I also tend to shout at my child. It's fine. It's okay. I think we all are composed of good and bad things, but it's the end. At the end of the day, it's what we choose as people, right? That makes us unique, that makes us better. Yeah. So we have to, in the sea of things, we have to choose the good things. That is what we have to choose. Now once this person was asked, uh, do you ever fall or do you go on rising? So that person said, I fall, I have my bad days, I have my downsides. It's okay. But my best virtue is I climb back up. I can climb back up. That's my best virtue. So I found that very, very, very honest. Because it's not, I cannot say I'm always positive. No, I am also negative. Sometimes I get negativity. I cry, I shout. Just yesterday only, something like that happened with me. It's okay. You sit, you calm yourself down. After that, you say, okay, you can do it. Rest of the world can wait, but I can do it. Right? Yes, I can do it. That is what we are supposed to do, right? Okay? Okay? So Kashish is also here. Kashish, can you turn on your camera? So physical, inorganic, and organic. I'm going to tell you what is the chronological order of study that you are supposed to follow. Okay. First is NCERT. I don't know about physics and maths, but I know for chemistry, this is the order that you're supposed to follow. Okay. NCERT in text and back exercises. I'm not saying you have to write everything down, write all the questions down. No. At least you should know that these are the questions in NCERT. Okay. Every single line of NCERT textbook is worth its weight in gold. You have to underline every single theory line, use sticky notes, chalk out the important points. And if some detail is required, maintain a notes register and you can, just go back. So this is mentioned on page number 133 of NCERT so that you can go back during the revision. Make your notes like that. Okay, fine. Since you have already done 2 years, in your study, so what you can do is you can just make some things extra. Like already you must be having some notes register. Now you can make some extra out of there. You don't have to start from scratch, because if someone started from scratch, we will not be able to do it, right? It's only 6 months, right? And plus, whether we deny it or whether we don't deny it, whether we believe it or not, India is a country full of festivals. So when some or the other festival comes, so we are definitely, sometimes we do get carried away. Our heart wants to go somewhere. Yeah. So that is also there. Please take that into account also. Please take your sick leave also into account. During the preparation, we can fall sick. It's okay. Now, don't start blaming yourself. Okay, I keep on falling sick. This is not the way. No, everybody does. But it should not be too often. So for that, you have to maintain your diet and you have to maintain your health also. If you keep on studying and keep on sitting at one place, your health will go down. So at the start of the day, you have to do some exercise. If you start your day at 8, 9 or 10 a.m., you are again committing a mistake. Start your day at 4 a.m. Yeah. If you are not able to get up, it's just a 21-day cycle. I promise you, 21 days continuous, you wake up at 4 a.m. It's really going to get bad around the 10th or the 12th day. You will not want to get up. But if you cross that challenge, you will be able to. Yeah. Do it for 21 days straight. I am not saying just keep on studying till 10 a.m. No. 4 to 7, 4 to 8 you study, or 4 to 9 you study. You have your breakfast in between, and then you can again sleep for 1 hour. It's okay. Then again get up refreshed. But getting up at 4 a.m. remains absolutely very important. Because after a whole day of hard work, if you feel that you are going to study till 3 a.m., you are just fooling yourself. Your liver is working overtime, your body is working overtime, your brain is working overtime. There is no point. Right? Rather get up fresh in the morning, then you study 4 to 5 hours, take your breakfast, sleep. Because that is when everybody is going to office and there is a lot of, disturbance in the house also. Around 9, 10. Somebody will come, go outside also, there is noise starting. Sleep. At that time you sleep. Then around 11, 12, get up again. Start studying. Study till 3, 4, 5. Then take a short half an hour nap. Again, you can just get up, right? And do the things. That is why I purposefully told these people to put the class at 10 a.m. The only reason was I did not want you guys to wait till 2 or 3 p.m. in the afternoon for the class. So that, you are able to see through the exercises, see through the worksheets and everything, right? Right. So that is what I wanted you to do. Okay. Okay. So first is this, then is NCERT exemplar. Again, no need to write the things. Just go ahead and finish off the, questions, right? and practice, right? That's what you can do. And seems very trivial. NCRT, she's saying, NCRT, every line she's saying, but it's very important. You must have seen direct memory based questions were there in this time attempt 2. Direct memory based questions were there. Straight out of NCRT were there. Yeah. So we have to see. Okay. Then next is your DPPs and your modules, right? Study material we give you. N Avasthi for physical. BK Jaiswal for inorganic. MS Chauhan for organic, or Himanshu Pandey for organic. MS Chauhan, you get the solution manuals free with the this thing, with the book. But Himanshu Pandey, you have to purchase the solution manual. Okay, fine. And I told you these books you have to purchase for inorganic and organic, and of course, then you have to do the PYQs. PYQs, if you have not purchased, it is fine. You can now purchase chapter wise, not year wise. Year wise, you're going to get confused fully, right? Do chapter wise PYQs. Pick up the last 15 to 16 year. No. 10 to 12 year would be better. Since NTA started, na 2018. 10 to 12 years PYQs. You pick up that book, it will be able to help you a lot. Okay, fine. Is there any doubt in this, whatever I wrote?
Ma'am, I have a different book for inorganic.
Which one, beta? Joshi?
JD Lee.
JD Lee is for theory. This is for questions, beta. JD Lee, we do not recommend generally for your level. We recommend for college level. You can't find PYQs in JD Lee, na?
And Miss, can we do NCRT online because I don't have them?
NCRT online, whatever works for you. I don't have a problem. Like if you feel that online is, you can do the same with the online, it's totally fine. I don't have a problem with chat or. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. One second. Okay. Any doubts here? Shall we go ahead? Yes. just want to clarify a few things. I want to know what is the mass of one oxygen atom. Can you tell me?
16 grams.
16 grams.
16, ma'am.
Beta,
16 grams.
is it 16 grams? Are you able to see one atom? Grams you can see, right?
AMU.
AMU. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. All right. So atomic mass unit is a relative unit. What does one AMU weigh? How much does one AMU weigh, beta?
1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24.
Minus 24 grams. Yes. Correct? Yes or no? Okay. So 16 AMU means correct. And how much is 1 AMU? Where does 1 AMU come from? It's mass relative to one carbon atom. Yes. Okay. Relative to one carbon atom. They chose nitrogen and oxygen before, but they could not get the correct mass. So they got this. Okay. So what is a mole? Who will tell me what is a mole? If you went to buy grapes, Gauri, can you tell the vegetable person or the fruit vendor that, please give me 1 mole of grapes?
Yes, it's 0.02 but you won't say that.
You will not have that many grapes only, na? So you have to go to a vineyard to get it, right? Which is very near to your place in Pune. Near Mumbai, it is there, right? So where in Mumbai are you residing?
I'm currently in Navi Mumbai, Nehru.
Oh, okay. I stayed there for one of my conferences. I came from that bridge, which is on the Sea Link guy. I was in earlier there, and then I went to this company, that office. Most of offices are there in Navi Mumbai, right? And I did my training in summer internship of my IIT in Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Chembur. So mole is an entity or just a number. Okay, mole is a number. Okay. Now, when mole is a number, we can say it is applicable for everything. So Suchita will go to pizza shop and say, give me 1 mole of pizzas because pizza is her favorite, right? So the guy will say, madam, please go. I cannot give you 1 mole pizza. I will not be able to make that many pizzas in my lifetime, right? I will not be able to do it. So we can say that this is a number only for atomic or subatomic particles. Gopi, do you think you'll be able to eat 1 mole of idlis in your lifetime?
No, ma'am.
He's not sure. I don't think so. But noodles, I think I'll be able to. I love noodles. We can all eat that many noodles in our lifetime at least. Okay. So 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 is only for atomic or subatomic particles. Now, 1 mole of oxygen atoms, how much does that weigh? 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 into 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 grams into 16 mu. 16 mu grams will be the unit, right? Because we've already substituted. So if you multiply this, you will realize that this turns out to be 1 gram. 0.99 approximately. So mass of 1 mole of oxygen atoms. Gopi, please listen. It is 16 grams. Mass of 1 mole, not 1 oxygen. Mass of 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms is 16 grams. Okay, got it? That is 16 grams. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this particular thing is known as gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Mass of one molecule of H2SO4. Can you calculate? Please calculate.
$98.
98
Grams.
AMU.
1 mole.
Mass of, 1 mole of H2SO4 molecules is how much? It is 98 grams. Okay, same calculation. So this is known as, because it's a molecule now, so it is gram molecular mass. Okay. And if we wish to calculate the mole from the given mass, what to do? So given mass upon molar mass, whether it is gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass, doesn't matter. You will get moles, yeah? Let's calculate the mass for 90 moles for 98 grams of H3PO4. Quickly. How many number of moles, bete?
Ma'am, is it 1?
Yeah. So number of moles is 98 grams divided by 98 grams per mole. That is the unit of molar mass, yeah? Yes. So unit, this is 98, 1 moles. Correct? Correct or not? What did you not get, Suchita?
Miss, what
See
is
here,
the molar mass of H3PO4?
98. 33164. Okay? 1 mole. So if I say number of just a minute. So number of hydrogen atoms, phosphorus and oxygen atoms in 1 mole of yes, please tell me.
K1 and 4.
So how many moles of hydrogen? 3 into 1 mole. Because three atoms are there. See, I'll tell you how it is done. Look here, everyone. In one molecule, how many atoms of hydrogen are there? 3. In 1 mole of H3PO4, how many molecules of H3PO4 are there? 1
One.
into Na, Avogadro's number. Therefore, in 1 mole of H3PO4, 3 into 1 into Na atoms of H will be there. Correct? If one molecule has 3 atoms and 1 mole has Na molecules, so these many molecules will have how many atoms? 3 into 1 into Na. Correct? Correct, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go back to that. 3 into 1 mole or 3 into 1 into Na. Same thing, right? So this is 1 into 1 into Na, phosphorus. This is 4 into 1 into Na, oxygen. Correct, beta? Understood?
Yes,
Understood.
ma'am.
Let's go to a few more things so that you can. What are isotopes? What are isotopes?
And which is same atomic number but different mass.
Atoms of the same element. Having correct same atomic number but different atomic mass. Okay, fine. So, like this. Correct? Now, if I tell you what are isobars, different atomic number. Yes. So you can say that yes. What are isotones? Atoms with same number of neutrons. Yeah. 2. 2 are the number of neutrons. Isoelectronic species. What are isoelectronic species?
Same number of electrons.
Same number of electrons. Species means ions or atoms with same number of electrons. Okay. Okay, you guys. Can you tell me what are isodiaphers? Atoms which have the same difference. Okay, so you have this uranium 92, 238 and thorium 234. Can you find out the difference between the number of protons and neutrons? So number of electrons, number of protons are 92, 92 in this. Number of electrons are 90, number of protons are 90. Number of neutrons, please calculate. Quickly.
And is it 146?
For this, how much? If you find out the difference between these two, it comes out to be 54. So those are isodiaphers, okay? Now the question here is, this is the PYQ, calculate the number of go ahead, calculate in 20 grams of D2O quickly. Yes, please, done.
Nine.
Yes, please tell me.
9.
Okay, first you have to calculate the number of moles. So molar mass of D2 is how much?
20.
20 grams per mole. Okay, so number of moles is 20 upon 20 is equal to 1 mole, right? One molecule has how many neutrons? 1 plus 1 plus how much? 8. Yeah, 8. 10 neutrons, right? So 1 mole of molecules will have how many neutrons? 10 into 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Yeah. Got it? Correct? You understood this much? Yes. This is clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
To all three of you? Yes, clear? Sure, 100%?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. I have one more. Yes, please tell me. Hmm.
I'm 50 into Na.
First of all, number of moles of PO4 3 minus. How much?
1.
Huh? Okay, I don't think you should take this. Wait, hold on. Mm,
It was coming 98
Yeah.
by 95. So,
Okay, you take 95 beta. Take 95, that's better. It will make the calculations easier, na? 1 mole. Yeah. In 1 iron, how many electrons are there?
60.
15 plus 32 plus 3. How much? 50. So in 1 mole, there will be 50 into Na electrons. Correct? Yes. So please, now you do Navasti and you can do so many things now. You can do the number of questions. You can do, n number of problems like this. Now you know how to calculate. Not a problem. Right? You start and you do it. And then next time, from tomorrow, I'll be giving you more number of worksheets. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, then I will see you tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. Be ready for the
Ma'am,
class.
one
Don't be late.
question.
Yeah?
Well, how much did Shrishti got in her previous attempt?
I can't hear you very well. Sorry. What are you saying?
How much did Shrishti get in her previous attempt before taking
How much did Srishti get where?
a drop?
I think it was in 80s. 80s. It was in an 80s. 80 and 91 kuch to tha aisa, something like that. I don't remember. I'll call her today and I'll ask where she's taking admission now. Okay? Yeah? Okay then. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.